Hello, dear children. Welcome back to the English class. In the coming days, you have a test, that is second unit test. For that, I am giving you revision. Okay. So revision part 1. This is revision part 1. So the first one is use these words in own sentences. So as you know, we all finished this in the previous class. Just I am giving the question so that you have to search the answer and you have to write yourself in the classbook. Okay, so these are the words you have to make it in your own sentence. Okay, you have to use these words in your own sentence. The first one is drone, drone, drone. Okay, so make it own sentence. The second one is ladder, 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 ladder. The third one is landed, landed, landed. Next, fourth one is joined, 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 joined. So these are the 4 sentences. You have to make it your own sentences. The second part, the next one, second main is write opposite words. So here are the some words you have to write in the opposite words of these given words. Okay. So the first one is high, H-I-G-H, high. So you know the answer now? Yes. Next one is small, S-M-A-L-L, small. Write the small opposite words. The next one is good, G-O-O-D, good. Next, fourth one, dull, D-U-L-L, dull. Then fifth one, up, U-P, up. The sixth one, near, N-E-A-R, near. Next, seventh one, sitting, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting. Number 8, inside, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Next, number 9, asleep, A-S-L-E-E-P, asleep. Next, number 10, M-O-R-E, more. Number 11, dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Number 12, always, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always. Number 13, sad, S-A-D, sad. Number 14, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Number 15, come, C-O-M-E, come. So I have given 15 opposite words. Okay, so you have to search the exact opposite words and you have to write it properly. Okay, yes. The next one is third main, put these words in the correct order. So these words are not in a correct order. So these words are jumbled. So you have to rearrange these words to make it a exact sentence or correct sentence. Okay, the first one, clever, very, dad, Vikram's is. So already we have finished in the previous class, isn't it? Vikram's dad is very clever. So you have to write down. So first you have to write the question, then after that you have to write the answer below. Okay, next one, will my phone I sell bring. So write this jumbled word. After that, rearrange it properly. Number C, third one, pressed dad numbers sum. Okay, the next one, D, a Shiba can branch C on I. Okay, a Shiba can branch C on I. So rearrange these words, then make it a meaningful sentence. Okay. The next one, E, these 3 I have given extra, even though I have given answer also. Okay. So, but you have to write this one in your classwork book. The next one, a woman putting was on a shelf cakes. So, how to make it in a proper way? Yes, a woman was putting cakes on a shelf. So this is very important. Okay. So full stop. At the end of the sentence, there must be a full stop. And the sentence should be meaningful. A woman was putting cakes on a shelf. Next, F. Idea and had the fox. So what is the right answer? What is the exact sentence? The fox had an idea. Okay. The fox had an idea. The last one. Was greedy wolf the? The right answer is the wolf was greedy. Okay. Yes. So you have to write this all the questions and write the answers properly in your classwork book. Okay. So before that you have to write the heading, second unit test, revision, part 1. Okay. Let's move to the next part. The next one is change the following into questions. So these are the sentence. We have to change this sentence into the question form. Okay. So already we have finished this also in the previous class. Okay. So just revise it. So the first one, the wolf ate the cakes. So how we have to change into the question, children? Yes. Did the wolf eat the cakes? Isn't it? Ate will become past tense. Then we have to change that into the question. Okay. So the wolf ate the cakes. So when it comes to the question, did the wolf eat the cakes? The second one, the wolf jumped through the door. So how to frame a question now? Yes. Did the wolf jump through the door? Very important is question mark at the end of the sentence. The next one, the woman made some cakes. Did the woman make some cakes? Yes. So just go through back and look at the video, or if you finish the classwork, just you have the answers there. So find out the answers and write it properly. The next one, the boy wrote a letter. Did the boy write a letter? Yes, then question mark. The girl read a book. So how to frame a question now? Did the girl read a book? Yes. The next, the dhobi washed a shirt. Did the dhobi wash a shirt? Yes. The next one, Mr. Sen works in a bank. So how to frame a question now? Does Mr. Sen work in a bank? Next, Bhim drives a bus. When we make a frame a question, does Bhim drive a bus? The next one, Mr. Sen collects money. The last one is Mr. Das makes tables. So find out the right question frame and make it properly. Okay. So these are the sentences I have given. So you have to change this following sentence into question. Okay. So the next one is complete the poem. Complete the poem. So here I have given two poems. That is the first one, the moon shines dash dash, second line ends with gold. Next third line and dash. Next come to the fourth line, that is ends with very old. Sun and moon poem. Okay. So look at the poem and write properly, but you have to learn this poem by heart. Both the poem you have to learn by heart. The next poem, second poem is a glowworm. So here also I have given a one paragraph, that is 4 line. Okay, here also I have given one paragraph, that is 4 line. So both the poem you have to 4 lines you have to by heart. Okay. The next, brighter dash, second line dash on cars, third line dash, fourth line I got dash ends with my chair. So these are the two poems you have to learn by heart. So here I am going to end the revision part 1. So whatever I have given the questions, so you have to search the answers, opposite words, own sentence, then rearrange the words, rearrange the words. After that, frame the questions, and next is complete the poem. So you have to write this all the revision part 1 in your classwork book with the heading. Okay children, so complete this. So be prepared for second unit test. All the best, do it well and complete your classwork. Okay, so see you in the next class with the revision part 2. So take care and bye bye.